What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send money with MoneyGram. So you might be wondering how to exactly send money here with MoneyGram. Well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go and access their official website or their app. So in this case, we'll be doing this via their website. Now here in MoneyGram, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to their website, again, moneygram.com. You want to go to the 3-bar icon at the top right of the screen and just basically log in into your account. Now, if you haven't created your account, go ahead and create one. But once you've logged in, this is what you should be seeing. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to start sending. So how do we do that? So what we need to do is you want to go and click on the send to someone new here. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to provide all the necessary details. That includes the amount that you want to send here. Let's just say we are going to send around 100 USD. Now, from here, you can go and choose the receiver country. Like, for example, we want to send to the Philippines. Now, from here, it's going to start estimating the fees here. So you can go and click on estimate fees. Just wait for it to basically load up. Might take a while, and you should see the conversion, as you can see right now. Now, you can go and choose the option on how you pay and how they actually receive the funds here. So you could go and pay with your debit card, your bank account, your credit card, or cash at a location. So let's go and choose debit card. Now, you could also choose how they receive it. Like you could choose a debit card deposit, a direct to bank account, a mobile wallet. So in this case, this actually depends on the country if they support that. But currently for the Philippines, they basically allow GCash and other wallets as well. But let's go and choose the direct to bank account option. Now from here, you can also enter the coupon code here. But what we need to do is we want to go and click on continue. Now from here, we just need to fill out the necessary details. That includes the receiver information and the payment information. Now for receiver information, make sure all the information that you enter here matches their information in their banking details or in their account. Now also, just make sure, again, information should match with their IDs. Now from here, just click on continue. Now for payment information, just need to basically provide your payment information. That includes your card number, the expiration date for it, and also the CVV or CVC at the back. Now it might also ask for your zip code. Go ahead and enter that. But in this case, once you filled out all the information here, just click on review and send. And basically, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.